Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. In today's video, I am cleaning and decorating my kitchen for fall. It is officially fall and it's one of my favorite seasons to decorate. So in this video, I've included a couple of DIYs, some cleaning, some decorating, and even a sweet treat that you may enjoy making with your kids on a fall day. So stay tuned. First, I just want to show you some of the things that I have selected to decorate my kitchen with. Okay, so this is some of the stuff that I'm thinking about decorating with. This little lantern that I am going to show you guys how I put it together. I got this pumpkin for $7 at TJ Maxx. I have this little $5 candle that I got from Marshall's. I found this at Party City for $1.49 and thought it was so cute. I have this little thing that I put together, and I showed you guys how I put it together. I have this candle that smells so good. It's called like Walk in the Woods or something like that. It was from Hobby Lobby. Never gotten like a seasonal candle from there before, but it smells really good. I have a variety of small pumpkins. I have my Mrs. Meyer's fall scents. I have this candle. I fell in love with it at Bath & Body. It's like frosted cranberry, and it smells so good. I have this mug that I got at TJ Maxx for like $3, and it says pumpkin spice and everything nice. I put these little things together. I have these plates. Not sure what I'm going to do with these. I have two of these little placemats. And then I have an arrangement that I think I'm going to put on my table, and I may need to work on it a little bit more. So I think this is what I'm going to use. I'm just going to kind of put the fall stuff that I found out of the way so that I can clean the countertops. I do not do a ton of decorating in the kitchen for the fall because the kitchen is the heart of our home and it's the most used area. So I like to keep decorations to a minimum.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I could be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'm on my way now.
I would show you how I put this lantern together. So for this little quick DIY, I am starting with this lantern that I bought at Michael's. It was originally $30 and it was on clearance for 60% off. I wanted to originally get a lantern and fill it myself, but when I looked at the price of lanterns around, plus the stuff to put inside of it, I decided that this would be the cheaper option. So I purchased this, but I do want to add a little something extra to it. So I picked up some of this ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and it has some burgundies, golds, browns, very fall colors. And then I also picked up a couple of these fall garland pieces from the Dollar Tree, and I can use these in other projects as well. So let's dress this up just a little bit.
I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. I wanna know if I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. I'm not gonna lose myself. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight. Not gonna lose myself. And I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I could just stay the same or be winning the game. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight.
I came straight to the dirt, my sleeves pulled up and my head held high. No shirt, no shoes, but a beating heart, and I made sure that my tongue was tied. Try to shut up and just put up with all the lies they told. Guess this is what it's like when you grow up. I'm feeling old. Some say it's normal when you get formal. It comes with age, what a mistake. Cause when I was a kid, I dreamt of something greater, like standing on a stage and hearing all those people chant my name. But now I'm hanging low and looking for someone to blame. So
I'm not gonna lose myself. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight. Not gonna lose myself. And I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I could just stay the same or be winning.
I originally wanted the bow to stand up, but it just did not want to, so I just worked with it like it was, and I think it turned out really cute. And I only spent $14.
High and I'll win the fight.
I don't know if I can make the days go by like this right now.
I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone.
I don't know if this road is too long, guess I'll make it somehow.
Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. To win a surprise that you be with this night. So keep playing hard and aim for the stars. 'Cause
For my bar area, I took a silver bowl that I purchased at Hobby Lobby in the spring store sometime last year, and it was 40% off, and I used that, and then I got some pumpkins at Marshall's for $10, and I used some pine cones that I already had, and I created a little arrangement just for the center, and I think it turned out very simple and very elegant. So I'm just going to kind of show you guys how I put that together.
I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight.
If you are new to my channel, my name is Jennifer. I do a variety of videos: cleaning, decorating, lifestyle, personal growth, organization, and I would love to have you in my YouTube family, and I would love for you to introduce yourself in the comments and tell me your favorite thing about fall.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who's to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you are colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high, and you're stronger.
I thought it would be neat to show you guys this little recipe that you can make with your kids. All you need are some fudge stripes. You turn them upside down. You need a little icing, any color you want. I just happen to have black on hand, and this was 98 cents at Target, and some Hershey Kisses, and all you do is put them together, and it makes some cute little witch hats for this time of year.
Than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are, just the way you are, oh, just the way you are.
Remember, give this video a thumbs up, and remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.